Hey everyone, same day, a few hours later, Idaho man here. But we got Grandpa, we got the trailer. Trailer is a 16-foot long trailer. I'll include some pictures, but you might be able to see it here. It was actually in a wreck. Story went, hit the corner was, oh no, it hit the passenger front. It's parked on a street, it hit the passenger front, shoved it into a house. Back end hit the house, I think, and then when it did that, it took this front and kind of tweaked it. So I will show you right now some before and after, and then kind of our fixing that a friend helped me with. We got it a lot straighter. That attached to here, that attached back there, and this attached to here. That's how we straighten the trailer. Take two, the Tacoma was moving, so we had to put something in front of the tires, so try again. Kind of feel like I should stand back. Used it to haul 6 tons of hay yesterday. Tires didn't seem to wear funny, kind of pulled a little wonky, so I do still want to get it straightened out a little bit more, but it definitely works. So for right now, out of curiosity, we're gonna see how much of a pain it is to get the white pickup loaded, because that's a pretty steep ramp right there. So we'll see. I don't know, I might have to put some pieces of wood there, or jack the tongue up, or I don't really know what yet. But we'll set you on top of the Geo here so you can get a look, and we'll go from there. While it's on here, I was curious what the loud bang and falling was, but I had used this piece of wood to get more height out of it, and I had it jacked up where it had pushed Grandpa forward, so then once the pickup came up on here, everything rolled back, that fell down. So nothing major, but it does fit, barely. Okay, I don't know what that was about. I don't know if it actually got any of that because it did some beeping and then turned off, but it is on here. So that's cool. So, upon further inspection, I was going to use these stake pockets to tie down to the rear axle. That ain't gonna work. Not when the tire's right there. So now I gotta figure out what else I'm gonna do. Because I don't know if these corners are strong enough to weld something to. I'm thinking, I don't know why I wouldn't be able to beat that up straighter, but be able to just hook right here and run the hook over, maybe do some crisscross action. So we'll test that real quick, see what happens. Okay, so I had this strap running over to the passenger side. Nick thinks that's too much of a side angle. I'm mostly concerned about what people think about right here, but he'll be down here soon. I'll check with a couple other friends. So I don't know. I don't tell a lot, but I wouldn't see an issue with hooking it right here other than it's just putting a lot of stress on this one point. But other than that, I wouldn't see an issue with hooking right there. So I don't know. We'll wait a few minutes, see what he says, see what other people say. So we'll check in with you then. Well, that pretty much concludes that. Sounds like I need to do something different with the ramps. Whether I make them longer or do something, just because even backing down, the cross member would hit right there. So, but I think for right now, until I can figure out a different spot to put the toe point or the tie down spot, I think for right now we'll just hook it underneath and we'll just call that good enough and we'll figure something out. So anyways, that's about it for that video. Kind of boring, not really eventful at all, but it is what it is. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great night, and we'll see you next time. Idaho man out.